all your online store businesses. This video is just for all of you guys. Now, if you're wondering, what are you going to learn in this video? You know what is very important in business? Being constant and replying instantly to your customers. You might see big brands are using the trick that as soon as the order is placed in their business, the customers are going to receive the confirmation emails. What are you waiting for? Why do you think that you can't do this? You can also do this. You don't need to hire an entire team to do the work. You just need to hire the setup and your work is done. If you don't believe me, I'll show you. So this is the product that I'm selling in my business. I'm going to purchase this product in front of all of you. So let me do that. I'm going to proceed to checkout. Now, as soon as I'm going to do that, now I have to enter the detail as a customer. My name is simple.user. That's my email address, simple.user@pabblytudes.com. My name is simple user, so I'm going to enter simple user over here. I'm from India. My address is 123 Old City, so I'm going to enter my address. My city is Indore. For the code, I'm going to enter a dummy code, and for the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number right here. Okay, now after that, it is asking for the shipping option, free shipping and cash on delivery. I'll place the order from here. As soon as now I have placed the order in front of you, you can see, thank you, your order has been received. Now if I'm going to open my Gmail account, I'll wait over here and you will see automatically I will receive the order confirmation email. You can see I've received the email in front of all of you. This is the order confirmation. Thanks for shopping with us. Hello, simple user, the person who have placed the order. The order is confirmed. Thanks for shopping. Now over here, this is my order number. This is the payment method, that was cash on delivery. Payment status is still cash on delivery. Total amount is $21.99. You can see the total is $21.99. Okay. Over here, it's my shipping address, 123 Old City, Indore, MP. This was the code. This was my phone number. Thank you. Your support means the world to us. You can see I have received this amazing email as soon as the order was placed on my online store. Now, if you're wondering, you can do that, but you have to actually hire a technical person to create this setup. No. You can create this setup without need of any technical coding and programming skills, just with the help of an automation tool. And in this video, we are going to create this setup using Pabbly Connect. So let's move on with the setup. I told you I'm using this automation software Pabbly Connect to create the setup. If you want to access Pabbly Connect for your business as well, search on a new tab for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to their landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the tasks, you can test out the setup right away, test out how Pabbly Connect works, and then you can purchase their yearly or lifetime plans. I'm going to suggest you to purchase their lifetime plans because you need to pay once and get the access of Pabbly Connect's features forever. Now with that, if you are planning to do so, use my code on the left side of my screen that will help you to get the most discount possible on top of the existing ones. So do remember to use my code, okay? Now I have already logged into my Pabbly Connect account and created the template for this particular setup. If you want to use this template that I am using in the video, check out the free workflow link in the description section. My trigger is WooCommerce new order created. Now to connect WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect, copy the URL from here. I'm going to recapture the response button, and now I'm going to log into my WooCommerce store. Go to WooCommerce and then go to the settings option. After coming to settings, you need to go forward to the advanced section of settings right here. After coming to the advanced section, let it load first. So now we are on the advanced section. Now go towards this webhook section. After coming to the webhook section, now you have to add a new webhook from this button. After coming to add webhook button section, now you have to first rename the webhook. Okay, so let it add first and then I'll show you the interface. Okay, so now we are at this page. Now for the name of the webhook, I'm going to name it as new order placed. I'm going to activate the status of this webhook. For the option, I want to send the response of the order created, so I'll select the topic. I will paste the webhook URL right here and add the webhook successfully. Now within few seconds you will see it will say webhook updated. Now the webhook is added successfully inside our WooCommerce store, you will find the response of webhook ID is captured in your Pabbly Connect's trigger. That means the webhook is added successfully, but I want the response of the order placed, so I will recapture the webhook response and it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether WooCommerce is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place another order on my WooCommerce store in front of all of you and check whether automatically the response of that new order is captured in my trigger. So I'm going to add this product to my cart from here. I'll view cart and then proceed to check out with this product of total 2199. Okay, so as I've done that, now I have to enter my details as a customer. So my name is Test account, so I'll write over here test.account @pabblytudes.com as the email address. For the first name I'll write over here test. For the last name I'll write over here account. For the city I'll write over here as 123 Old Road. Over here, sorry, this is the address. City is going to be Bhopal. State is going to be Madhya Pradesh. This is the pin code that I've entered. For the phone number I will enter a dummy phone number and state as Madhya Pradesh. Okay, free shipping, cash on delivery. I'll place the order in front of all of you. Now as soon as I've placed the order inside my WooCommerce store, if I'm going to open my trigger within few seconds, I guess 5 to 15 seconds of your response submission, you will see automatically the response of the new order placed is going to be captured in the trigger. So let the response be captured and I'll show you what kind of a response is captured and how your response is also going to look like. So I'm going to wait over here for a few seconds. And you can see the response has been captured successfully. It's for 2199. It's charm fall bracelet. If I'll tally the response, this is the code MP, this was the phone number, test account was the name, IN country Bhopal, this is the address 123 Old Road, cash on delivery, this is the order key, order number. If I'll further scroll down, you will see the email address of the customer has also been captured over here in the response, that is test.account @pabblytudes.com. As now we have the details, this means that WooCommerce is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now towards this customer, let's send an email through Gmail. Gmail, send email. Click on this connect option, go to add new connection, click on the sign in with Google button. Now select the account with the help of which you want to send the emails. It is asking for the permission for the account, for which click on this allow button, as this is safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. I have to enter the sender's email. My business name is Moon and Metal. So for the sender's name over here, I'm going to write it as Moon and Metal, Team Moon and Metal. So this is the email address with the help of which the emails are going to be forwarded. And for the recipient email address, we are going to map the data. Add a slash previous step is going to appear. Search for the email address, and as towards this email address, I want to send the confirmation email. I'll select the data of the email address of my customer from my previous response, which will make this data mapped in dynamic. Now, whenever a new response of a new order will be captured in the previous step, automatically this particular data will be updated in place of the mapped data. Now, next let us ask you for the CC, BCC and the reply to, which I do not want, so I'll skip the part. Next, I have to enter the email subject. So I want this email subject, that is order confirmation. Thanks for shopping with us. So I'm going to enter this email subject right here. Next, I want the email content. So I want a particular email just like this, very attractive one. So we have to enter this email content in an HTML format. Okay, so let me enter the HTML format in front of you. So I've written this body in HTML format. I've mapped the data where it was required. This was the address. This is the entire message body that I've used. Okay, email content body. After entering the details for the content type, I'll select HTML body. I want to save this email in my account in the file important. I do not require any other fields, so I'll skip the part and simply click on the save and send test request button, where I've received the response of the ID and the label as sent. That's a positive response. And in my Gmail account, you will see, if I'll refresh, I have received another email of order confirmation, order confirmed of test account. This is the order ID, cash on delivery, total was 2199, and this is the entire address with the details. So as I've received the email successfully, the connection between these two applications is now completed. Now whenever a new order will be placed in your online store, you will see to the customer an automated order confirmation email is going to be forwarded. If you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. Thank you everyone for watching till the end of this video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.